Hi guys, it's Ann, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a box of creation. So I did say in my last video that I'd come back and show you some embellishments I'm working on and have completed. And isn't this so pretty? Ugh. Anyways, so I am preparing for a swap, but I've just been creating as I go. I think when the mojo hits me, I'm like, let's put this together. So I'm going to show you some little telephone embellishments that I created. I added the little dangle, tassels, a little mini rosette, and I just did a lot of layering. I love how these came out. Yeah. And then here's the other one. A lot of little floral details, and that just added different tassels, different charms, and added a lot of little blings on the embellishments. I did a little stitching, a lot of little layering and sentiments. I'm just gonna put those to the side. And then I have, oh, let me show you these memory decks cards. So I am partaking in a swap. So we were to create memdexes. I'm just gonna, and I wanted to do a shaker, obviously, so you can see the shaker bits. And then I added tulle, but you can't see that. And then I added another shaker, which you can't see, but you can kind of see the peekaboo over here. I added a big circle. I added this little chain to hang from the side, added some wire wrap beads, and this beautiful swan because, you know, it's Maggie Holmes. I have a whole bunch of these little gold butterflies as well, and I just glued it onto the embellishment. A lot of stitching. I think I stitched nearly every little element here. I added this really dainty ruffly trim on the bottom. Yeah, and I really love how it came out. It isn't terribly chunky, but you know, with the layers and the foam in between, and then the chipboard sentiment, because it can't be without a chipboard sentiment. I just love how these came out. Here's my other one. And I really just didn't stick with one collection. I just picked up anything. I just went and just, you know, created. Again, same template on all of them, but again, with the pieces, I had to change it up. Different layering, different circles, but same shaker on shaker kind of feel. Yeah, same little ruffle trim. It is the most daintiest little ruffle trim. I'm really trying to incorporate at least a little bit more texture, and because I have so much ribbon. Here's the third one. Again, so much little fun little chipboard pieces and layers. Again, nice little thick but thin memory decks. So I love the just little pieces and elements and the little peekaboos of the bird and the flowers. You can kind of see it. Here you can see the shaker here a little bit better. Yeah, and I really loved how these came out. Let's see what else I got here. Oh, I created these award ribbon, what are these called? Award ribbons, yeah. I just kind of created a little bit of a scene, and these are kind of Carousel inspired because I do use a lot of Carousel. I mean, you're going to the carnival, so I did a lot of little layers. I love this pleated kind of award, and then I layered this up, this other little kind of like starburst kind of looking thing, and then a lot of little layers. This little swirl thing is from KS Craft, and I kind of love it. I used it in here on this one as well. This little star shaker, I added some little bits in there, and that is also a KS Craft die. So and then added a little dangle charm on the side, little ribbons, floor ribbons, and just a lot of little elements to kind of make this pop. Here's my other one. Yeah, I'm just really just having fun with the layering part. You know, they're not too thick, but they're not too thin. Just kind of having fun with just slapping on pieces. Here are the ticket embellishments. I did post this on my Instagram account, and I love how these came out. This is a Stamps of Life ticket die, and I stitch each and every little bit here with the ticket. Yeah, really love, and I just kept the strings kind of long. I think it adds a little whimsy. Isn't it cute? Yeah, so these are really fun. I gotta be better about taking pictures because I can create, but posting the pictures is kind of a little bit of a nuisance. Here is the postcard. I've created a ton with these, and I wanted to, you know, create a Maggie version. So this is a die that I had not used, and I was eagerly awaiting to use. This kind of like the bouquet, and I used a little vellum to kind of make it a little bit more whimsical. Again, a little vellum butterfly, and just did a little simple layering. And then I used this chipboard tag, added the littlest little ribbon. I have this little floral trim in the background on the side, and then just really pretty paper. Honestly, this was just like a pretty little postcard. I would think anyone who would receive this would love it, right? Let's see what else I got here. I have these cards. This card, not cards, card I created. Yeah, I really wanted to just create a chunky card. I have a ton of these bases from the Woodland Grove collection, and I thought this was just a darling little card. So this little, I don't know what you call this, kind of like layering piece, I got that from Temu, and I just love the little texture that it kind of embosses onto the paper. It's all around. I did a little stitching, and then I just used the like this gold mesh trim, and then just layered on top of it. Just added a bunch of ephemera pieces and a heart because it says love you, and then just kind of added this little layered element, and just added little flowers, a lot of fun little tucking to kind of yeah, create this beautiful card. And I do have to say, I love adding those large chipboard floral pieces to kind of like have a peekaboo and then start building from there. I know you're gonna not see it, but I think that kind of makes it whimsical and kind of fun. Yeah, and that's the card that I created. I'm trying to see if there's anything else here. There's a lot in here, like just bits and bobs that I just kind of started but didn't finish. Yeah, this is just another, this is a KS Craft die. I think it's a mini album. I started with just the cover. I'm not sure where I'm gonna go with this, but I love this cardstock from scrapbook.com. It's like that glossy paper, and then I just kind of created a scene with some flower dye that I had bought a while ago. I'm trying to work through my stash of dyes because I'm like, if I don't use it, I gotta destash it, you know. So yeah, and I think that's it basically. Everything else is just bobs that I just started but haven't completed, and that's it, you guys. Thanks for being patient with me. I'm really just trying to find the mojo to kind of get back into taking videos again, but I hope you enjoy my creations. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below, and thanks for watching. Bye everyone.